Fully restored restomod Corvettes bring big dollars at the auctions. Going, sold! You can beat the big boys at the auction game and win the Corvettes of your dreams in the Corvette Dream Giveaway. You can win this fully restored 550 horsepower 1965 Corvette restomod, powered by a heart-thumping, fuel-injected 376 cubic inch LS3 engine. And this brand new 2018 Corvette Grand Sport, loaded with extra cost options and pumping out 600 horsepower. No bidder approval, no hammer price, no auction fees. Call the toll-free number on your screen or go out to our website and make a tax-deductible donation to help these great charities. That's right, you'll bring home 2 Corvettes like you see in this televised auction. They won, and so can you. But you have to be in it to win it. Go online or call and enter today.